Hence we say y is greater than 0. Everything above 0 will be our y-axis for the graph, because the graph is growing rapidly upwards, right? Meaning that it includes all the y-axis except for 0, right? I hope everyone understood that. Now we quickly move to 4.1.4. So 4.1.4, they're saying write down the equation of the asymptote of p into x minus 5, meaning that the shift will be on the vertical line, which is along the y-axis. The graph shifts 5 units downwards because what? It's minus 5. So when the graph, the original graph, which is 1/3 to x, will be shifting 5 units downwards, meaning that they asked about the domain of the inverse. We're gonna swap values, have swapped, as you can see in this case, meaning that the domain will be the range of the original graph. Therefore, the domain, in this case, you don't have to write this. I was just referencing. The domain will be x greater than 0. X greater than 0. Any values where x is greater than 0, that's your domain, right? That's how the graph occurs, which is the inverse of the y/3 to the power x. Okay, sorry about that. Now we're moving to 4.1.4. 4.1.4 is saying write down the equation of the asymptote of p into x minus 5, meaning that the graph will shift along the vertical line 5 units downwards, right? Our asymptote is y equals minus 5, as I have drawn here. In this case, they said minus 4 is the shift, which is the origin. Now the asymptote will be minus 4. You see, in this case, our asymptote equation is y is equal to minus 4. Now, in this instance, y is equal to minus 5. Alright, I hope you understood everything and hope to see you next time. Please comment any question you have, any misunderstanding. You can comment right down below. See you next time when you do our quadratic functions. Thank you.